Hi, my name is Barca Rai. Welcome to today's news. One of the hottest food vloggers in China right now, 24-year-old Chengdu native Miss Ye has a whopping 4 million fans on Weibo and 2 million subscribers on YouTube. That's not really anyone else doing anything similar. Miss Ye is the master of using common office equipment such as water dispensers, electric kettles, flower pots, and even a computer CPU to cook meals that very often turn out to be mouth-watering feasts, shared and finished quickly by the entire office. Miss Ye likes to introduce local dishes in her videos, especially the spicy Sichuan style with which she's most familiar. In one popular episode, Chengdu Chuan Chuan Xiang, she cooks skewers which usually require a large hot surface in an electric kettle. In another, Tofu Feast, she makes tofu custard from raw soybeans served in a bowl with chopped peppers, chili oil, and peanuts, a traditional breakfast or snack in Sichuan cuisine. Besides these, she's also cooked crawfish in a popcorn popper, steamed buns with a garment steamer, and made mooncakes from scratch with a few simple supplies at her office desk. Miss Ye studied video editing and directing in university. Her first video, published in early 2017, was inspired by one of her male colleagues, whom she discovered shirtless in the office using an electric iron. That gave her a strange idea to use the iron to grill beef, and it worked. Each video takes about 4 days to produce, including brainstorming, scripting, purchasing ingredients, and shooting. Miss Ye never speaks in the videos, but it accentuates her deadpan humor style. Now, we can't help wondering about China's famous office chef. What will she cook next, and how will she do it? That's it for today. Thank you for watching. See you next time.